we need to find the value of the given expression. So here we will begin by first stating a property of logarithm. So let's say if we have log of a with a base b, that this is equivalent to log of a divided by log of b. Here both the two logarithms must have a common base. Now we will consider the base to be equivalent to 10. Right. Now that means we'll apply this particular property to each of the logarithmic terms here. So we will get first logarithm will become log of 4 divided by log of 3. So this multiply to log 5 with the base of 4, which is log of 5 divided by log of 4. Then we have log of 6 with a base of 5. This will become log of 6 divided by log of 5, multiply to log of 7 divided by log of 6, multiply to log of 8 divided by log of 7 times log of 9 divided by log of 8. We can cancel out some of the logarithms. So log 4 goes away, log of 5 goes away, log of 6, log of 7, log of 8 goes away, and then we are left with log of 9 divided by log of 3, which is log of 9 with the base of 3. Now 9 is simply 3 squared, the base of 3. So this will become 2 times log of 3 with the base of 3. So here we have applied the property. That means if we have log of a raised to the power of b, so that's equals to b times log of a. Now we are left with 2 times log of 3 with the base of 3. Here we have another property of logarithm, log of a with the base of a, that was always equals to 1. Our a value is 3, so log of 3 with the base of 3, that will be equals to 1. So that means we get 2 times 1, which will be equals to 2. So that means the value of this given expression is 2. So here this is similar to the previous problem. So let's begin. So log of 2 with a base of 3 can be written as log 2 divided by log 3. So this will be multiplied to log 3 divided by log 4. Then we have log 4 divided by log of 5. This will give us log 5 divided by log 6. And we can go all the way up to log 15 divided by log 16. Right. So here log 3 and log 3 goes away. Log 4 and log 4, log 5, log 6 will go away with this the next term, and we'll have log 15 cancelling out. We will be left with log of 2 divided by log of 16, which is equals to log of 2 with a base of 16. Now what's log of 2 with a base of 16? We can write 2 as 2 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1/4. This will mean exactly the same thing. So this gives us 1/4 multiplied to log of 2 raised to the power of 4 will become 16 with the base of 16. This was done so that we can take this value to be equals to 1. Now our final result will be 1/4.